Here we have a Gaurdian air conditioner. I think it might be one of York's brands. It's currently off, and it's a straight cool unit. So right here it says Gaurdian. Where's the dad pails? Over here. It's the Unitary Product Group air conditioner. The model number is GCD 48S21S2B. Serial number is W1G12000231. Uses R22. You can see right down here it says Unitary Products Group, which I figured, so that explains a lot for its style. But yeah, a Gaurdian straight cool unit. It's currently off. Over and out.